Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Here's an update on Uthando Nes'thembu. Umakhumalo is sitting with Musa having a chat. Musa tells Makhumalo about the fifth wife, Usamge Makwela. Apparently she's from the same place where Makhumalo is from, Gomadlael. And Makhumalo is not happy about this because Musa once said to her he would never take a wife from the same place where the current wives are from. So Makhumalo is disappointed, but then she decides to move on from that and discuss important issues, which is the baby issue. Makhumalo brings up the IVF thing again, freezing her eggs and doing all that. Musa, finally this time around, he's open and willing to try it because previously, in previous seasons, he has said that he is not open to doing that. He does not believe in IVF. He's a traditional man. But fortunately, this time around, he agreed to it, so they're going to give it a try. So kwamacele esipark, the Cele family comes, they sit, the sisters sit and have a chat no Musa. They remind him that when he paid lobola for Umacele, he paid one cow, saying that Umacele uzolanywa, he's gonna have a sister wife, which was Umasaula at the time. But Umusa did not come back and paid for Mayeni, Umakhumalo and Mangwawe, and now the fifth wife. So abakacele, they want that those cows. Musa agrees that he's going to pay for those cows, even though it's said now that he has to pay the cows to the sisters because Mama Macele is no longer alive. But then he agrees, and then he brings out a sheep. He brings in a sheep in the house to say that he's giving it to the Cele family just to appreciate them. And then now, wife number 5 comes with 2 other people from her family to meet the Cele family. They welcome her, and then Umacele also introduces fifth wife Usamge to the kids, Ompilontle, Sneh, and the other kids. Sneh is shocked. She's like, "Hi, but I know this person." Umacele looks shocked, like, "Wow, Sneh, what's going on? Do you know her?" Sneh is like, "Yeah, I know her. She's my friend." What a shock. Like, the shock on everyone's faces. Like, Sneh is friends with some gay. Anyway, looking forward to the next episode. Please like and subscribe to keep on getting updates. See ya.